Good morning to you. You'll not be surprised to hear yet again we're heading for another mild start to our day. Temperatures perhaps into double figures, but there will be a little bit of rain around and some of it could be a bit of a nuisance, particularly for the early morning rush hour. More on that in just a moment. Let's take a look at what's happening as we speak. We've got rain pushing up through Scotland, but it's this rain down towards the southwest that our main cause for concern. Some of it really turning quite heavy as it pushes across Devon and parts of Dorset and Somerset and also into South Wales. But just look at the temperatures, double figures generally, with an exception to the north of England and maybe Northern Ireland. Here, clearer skies, but at least you will start with some sunshine. But some of that rain really could be quite heavy just in time for the early morning rush hour, unfortunately. There's a little bit of uncertainty as to the extent of that rain, so certainly worth bearing in mind, and that'll push across much of central and eastern Wales as well. Not a bad start, as I hinted at, though, for Northern Ireland. Despite a chilly one, temperatures by 8 o'clock already into double figures. There'll be some lovely sunshine coming through. And the same too for the far north of Scotland as well. Perhaps just a few glimpses of sunshine from some broken cloud here. But it will stay dry and it will start off quite mild. Now we start through the east of the Pennines down into that southeastern corner on a rather cloudy, grey, classic November morning, but double figures at 8 o'clock in the morning. Now, as the day continues, we need to keep a close eye on this area of rain as it slowly pushes further north. It will weaken a little as it moves across the north of England. But you can see Scotland, the far north, Northern Ireland will continue with the sunshine. We're also optimistic that the cloud will break up in that southeast corner and we'll see some glimpses of sunshine as well. So patchy rain to the northwest, highs generally of around 13 to 16 degrees. So the mild spell continues and into the weekend as well. The reason for this, we've got this southerly airflow dragging in this warmer continental air, but it will turn increasingly windy despite it being quite mild as the next area of low pressure moves in and the winds pick up as well. That'll bring some rain into the southwest and also into parts of South Wales, eventually drifting further east. 10 to 16 again our expected high on Friday. But as we move towards the weekend, we're a little more optimistic. There'll be a little more sunshine coming through. That'll be welcome news, but it again stays on a mild note. So if you've got any plans for this weekend, be patient. The cloud is likely to break up. It's been rather dull and grey of late. The weekend, we're a little more optimistic, brighter, mild with just a few showers. Take care.